Hi, welcome to Juice Kitchen, and today I'm going to share with you a Indonesian dish called Lodeh, which is in English it's vegetable curry basically. Now let's go through all the ingredients that you need. This is carrot, so like half of the carrot. If it's a long carrot, you use half, but if it's short one, you can use 1 carrot. This is white turnip. You can use half of the bulk white turnip. This one is chili pepper, red color, onions, 1 onion, this garlic, 3 garlics. This a combination of garlic, onion, and ginger. Mix, blend it up, and you use 2 spoons. So basically 1 onion, 3 garlics, and 1 inch of ginger. Blend it up, and this is what you get. Okay, and then this is curry powder. Curry powder, about 2 spoonful of curry powder, and then 1 spoonful of turmeric powder, and this is a combination of cumin and coriander, 1 teaspoon each. Then this is chili paste, just 1 spoonful of chili paste, and this chili paste is, you can actually buy it at the market, chili paste, or for myself I actually have to do it manually using dried chilies, boil it, and then blend it. This is what you get from the paste. Yeah, and then this is silverfish, which is a small salted silverfish that you can get from the market. This one is the coconut, one box of the coconut, and then the excess of the water you can use from here, and you just pour additional water in the box just to make sure that you don't waste the extras that you have in the box. Yeah, and then lemongrass, 1 lemongrass, and then 1 tofu that you will have to fry it first, and then this is fermented soya bean, which I fried it first, but these are optional, which you can have it, well, it's up to you. Okay, then this is the main vegetable that you need, that is the cabbage, yeah, that you need. So half of, if it's 1 big cabbage, just take half of it and cut it this size, yeah, not too small, so that it won't shrink at the end of the day when you cook it. Yeah, and then this is the salt, and then a little bit of brown sugar and white sugar. Okay, this white sugar is about 1 spoonful, and 1 spoonful of brown sugar, and salt, about 1 spoon of salt. Okay, then that's it. Let me show you how to cook the ingredients. Okay, this is much of oil that you need, and then make sure that it's hot enough before you pour in all the ingredients. Okay, so it's hot enough, and then first you have to put in the onions and the garlic in there. And then stir fry it for a bit until it's and the smell and aroma comes up. Yeah, and then put in the chili and the ground ingredients. Keep stirring and make sure that you have all together mixed nicely, and then put in the lemongrass, and then you will put in the turmeric, coriander, and the cumin. You see the nice yellow color in there already. Yeah, and then put in the curry powder. This is meat curry powder, okay? Meat curry powder. And then keep stirring. Put in the fish, silver fish. That is optional as well, because I like it because it's tasty in the soup later on. So put the chili paste. If you don't want to put chili paste, that's fine too, because if you don't like it hot like I do, then you can actually leave out the chili paste, okay? And then you put in the carrots first, because this is hot and so it has to boil first. And then followed by lower the fire, because you don't want to burn the paste, so lower the fire. And then put in the turnips. This is also hot, so it has to go in first, yeah. And then last would be the cabbage. Okay. See, the colorful cooking of Jew is the same like Jew, who is so colorful when wearing clothes. So I like things to be colorful as well when I cook. And so you can see here, it's starting to come out the color, yeah. And then followed by the cabbage, yeah. Cabbage, put in the cabbage. Okay, and then you will need some water. So you need about, say, about 2 bowls of water, yeah? If you want more soup, then you put more water in there, okay? And then, so you see now, this is what you get. And slowly these vegetables will get cooked. And so now the water is in, you can raise the level of the fire so that it will boil faster and simmer faster, yeah. And then okay, now you can wait for a bit until it's boiling. Only then you will put in the rest of the items, like the coconut, and then the sugar, and then the salt, and finally you will see everything in there. So this is the tofu which I fried, and that's the tempeh, which is the fermented soya bean. Put it in together, and so next we just wait until it's simmered, and you can put in the coconut. So let it boil for a bit, and then put in the coconut. Now you can put in the coconut. See, this coconut is from one full packet, yeah, 1 full packet from this one here, yeah, 1 full packet. And after that you can add some water in here. This is a residue, so it's like thinner now, so you see. Okay, slowly let's see. Okay, now you go. See, you see the color changes now, it's become lighter, and there you go. See, it's nice, isn't it? So it looks beautiful, like putting makeup on. Okay, finally, okay, we put in lastly the brown sugar, the white sugar, and the salt. Okay? Any questions? Just call me, ask me. Since you know me, and you can just give me a jabber, office jabber. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. So this is what you get. Alright?